Lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang palad, nag-alay na kanda't dilag. At sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita. Aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya. Sakdal sila, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita. Aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya.
Magandang araw! Welcome to Talents Academy. I'm Cara, and today we're here to celebrate the 126th anniversary of Philippine Independence Day. Hello everyone, I'm Isabel. We will learn about the history. I'm Anika. Today, we'll learn about the significance of this important day in our nation's history.
Hello everyone, I'm Dane. We are excited to share with you 8 most known facts about Philippine Independence Day.
Hi, I'm Ayesha. Did you know that the Declaration of Independence Day by Emilio Aguinaldo is just a small snapshot of the truth? Why did he declare Philippines Independence Day right away? When is the real Independence Day of the Philippines?
Hello, I'm Madison. Let us dive into these 8 prevalent yet often overlooked details about Philippine Independence Day.
Hi everyone, I'm Nicole. Let's start with our first fact. 1. A mock battle between Spain and the United States.
In August 1898, the Spanish commander eventually surrendered Manila to the Americans under the condition that a mock battle of Manila be staged, with Filipino insurgents being barred from the city. The Philippines, however, became a and Spain received $20 million in compensation under the Treaty of Paris.
While Aguinaldo rebelled, he later pledged allegiance to the U.S. Nevertheless, many of his supporters continued to fight.
By 1902, the 3-year Philippine insurgency came to an end with the rise of the American civil government.
2. Philippine independence was proclaimed more than once. June 12 is the first of the multiple dates for Independence Day in the Philippines.
With U.S. consent, Filipinos formed the Commonwealth of the Philippines in 1935, and Manuel Quezon was chosen as the first president.
Once World War II came to its conclusions, America awarded the Republic of the Philippines complete independence on July 4, 1946.
But why is June 12 known as Independence Day in the Philippines? To put things simply, President Diosdado Macapagal stated that the recognition of the independence of a nation should not be accorded by any other country but itself. Following this belief, he declared June 12 as the country's Day of Freedom in 1962 and supplemented this decree further by passing Republic Act 4166 in 1964.
Sa Pilipinas na
beside the Philippine flag.
Emilio Aguinaldo himself designed the Philippine flag and presented it in person to Marcela Agoncillo, who was living at Hong Kong at the time.
Marcela Agoncillo and her 2 assistants worked for 5 days to complete the flag. 5 the different colors of the flag.
The color red signifies Filipino courage. Blue stands for the willingness of Filipinos to die rather than surrender to colonizers,
Which had lasted over 300 years.
The triangle symbol also relates to the Katipunan recruiting procedure called the triangle method,
Which included the Act of Blood Compact.
6. The island. The 3-star of the Philippines flag originally represent. The 3 stars initially represented Luzon, Panay, and Mindanao, not Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, as many have learned in school.
Panay was one of the country's 3 most important islands,
Where Revolutionary movement started.
Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y maharlika. Likas sa aking puso at hikahin kay ganda. Sa Pilipinas na aking bayan, lantay na perlas ng silanganan. Wari na tipo ng kayamanan ng may kapal. Bigay sa aking talino sa mabuti lang laan. Sa aking katutubo ang maging mapagmahal. Ako'y Pilipino, ako'y Pilipino, isang bansa, isang diwa, ang minimithi ko. Sa bayan ko't bandila, laan buhay ko't diwa. Ako'y Pilipino, Pilipinong totoo. Ako'y Pilipino, ako'y Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino, ang Pilipino ay ako.
8. Did you know that Lupang Hinirang was actually the second national anthem of the Philippines?
That's right! The first anthem marangal na dalat ng Katagalugan was written by musician Julio Nakpil in response to address Bonifacio's request. Unfortunately, the Battle of Manila destroyed the original form of the marangal na dalit ng Katagalugan.
As we come to the end of our special episode, Let's respect on the rich history and vibrant culture that the Philippines truly unique.
From the bravery of our heroes to the resilience of our people, let's carry the spirit of independence with us every day.
Thank you for joining us as we celebrate the 126th anniversary of the Philippine Independence Day.
Remember to cherish our freedom and continue to strive for progress and unity as a nation.
Let's honor the sacrifices of those who came before us
And pave the way for a brighter future for generations to come.
Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Until next time, stay proud, stay strong, and stay Filipino.
Happy Independence Day!